Here we will look at the 9-5 homework assignment, and we've already done 1 through 4 in videos, so this one will focus on numbers 5 and 6. So this is where we take what we've done in numbers 1 through 4, and we are going to figure out a solution. So number 5 says use a graphing tool, either your calculator or Desmos if you don't have one, to find the solution to the system of equations. And I copied down y equals 29.99x plus 99. That was what we got as our answer for number 2. That's the equation, or if I choose LA Fitness, the y equals 45 times x. That's what we got in number 4. So watch those videos if you don't know how we came up with those. But 45x was the equation for Las Campeones. So now I need to go to my calculator and graph those. So I pull up my calculator. Reminder that I go home, new document, add a graph. And when I do that, I type in my 2 equations. So I have 29.99x plus 99. Enter. Now you can see I don't see much, which should make sense because I should have a y-intercept at 99. It actually rounded it to 30, which is interesting, but we'll be okay with that. To get my equation bar back, I'm going to go tab. And in this one, I just am going to type in 45x. You can see I can see more of that, but it's an awfully steep graph. So I do need to change my window. I can either do this manually. If I do that, I would go menu, window zoom, window settings, again, X max. I don't know on that, I'm going to leave that, but my Y maximum, I know that the first equation crosses way up at 99, so I'm going to put like 300 to make sure it's high enough. So you can see when I change it manually like that, I can kind of see it. Oops. Another option is to go menu, window zoom, zoom out, and we just talked about in a different video, click close to that and you can see it nicely. So either way is fine, but we do think that it's important that you think about what the x and y values could be. Once we have a good picture though, we go back to menu. Remember when we're solving, we're looking for a point of intersection, so menu, analyze graph, intersection. I get my bar to the left and click, go slide past to the right and click, and we can see that my answer is 6.6, 297. So if I go back to this page, when it just asks for the solution, that is in fact just 6.6, 296.8. But that doesn't really have much meaning to me, just an ordered pair. So number 6 wants me to explain in words what this solution means for your gym membership, and how can you help decide what gym to join. If I go back and look at the graph, what this means is that this x value has represented my months the whole time. So after 6.6 months, both gyms would cost exactly $297 because that's what the y value is. So after 6.6 months, both gyms are about $297. Okay. Now, what does that mean in terms of deciding to join the gym? If I'm going to join for exactly 6.6 months, which isn't realistic, doesn't matter which gym I join. But let's go back and look at the picture. Remember, the blue graph was my first graph, which means that that was for LA Fitness. And we can see that everywhere leading up to that point of intersection, the blue graph is higher than the red one, which means that if I'm going to join a gym for less than 6.6 months, I would want to actually join the red gym, which in this case was Las Campeones. So if it's for the short term, I should join that one. However, once I pass that point of intersection, the blue line is always lower. So if I'm going to be in this gym longer than 6.6 months, I would actually want to join LA Fitness. So you could write something to represent that as well. Okay.